In today's video, we'll delve into the top semiconductor stocks to buy right now. But first, let me ask you this. Would you like to know which stock could potentially skyrocket your portfolio in the next year? Stick around until the end of the video to find out which semiconductor stock our experts believe has the most explosive growth potential. So before we start, if you find value in this video, please support our channel by liking and subscribing to our weekly updates. Now, let's get started. If you're aiming to outperform the stock market, investing in top semiconductor stocks is a solid strategy. These companies are at the forefront of technological advancements, significantly influencing various aspects of our daily lives. From smartphones to electric vehicles, semiconductors play a crucial role in numerous industries and cutting-edge technologies. Semiconductors are indispensable components in virtually all electronic devices, including smartphones, gaming consoles, electric vehicles, and high-performance computers. They also drive some of the most exciting technological developments today, such as machine learning, the Internet of Things, IoT, and artificial intelligence, AI. In this video, we'll use the portfolio grader to highlight some of the best semiconductor stocks in the market. From mega-cap stocks to promising smaller companies, each of these firms shows significant potential in the semiconductor industry. Number one on our list is the mighty Nvidia, ticker NVDA. Nvidia has consistently been one of the top semiconductor stocks you can buy. Over the past 2 years, the stock has skyrocketed by 770%, and it's up 198% over the last 12 months. This impressive growth is driven by its exceptional quarterly revenue, which has surged by 262% from a year ago to reach $26 billion. Earnings per share, EPS, have also jumped by 629%, now standing at $6.12. Nvidia's remarkable performance is largely due to its position as the leading supplier of high-end semiconductors, crucial for generative AI and other advanced applications. But before we proceed, here's a quick question for you. What do you think will have a bigger impact on the stock market in the next decade? Advancements in AI or the growth of electric vehicles? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Number 2. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC, trading under the ticker TSM. TSMC is closely linked with Nvidia and other semiconductor giants, serving as the premier manufacturer of semiconductor products. TSMC holds a commanding 61% market share in the global semiconductor foundry market. The demand for its services is on the rise as companies like Nvidia design increasingly powerful chips for TSMC to produce. TSMC also enjoys a significant advantage in the Chinese market. According to Reuters, Chinese chip companies are designing less powerful processors specifically to continue using TSMC as their chip producer. In the first quarter, TSMC reported revenue of $18.87 billion, a 12.9% increase from a year ago. For the second quarter, expected results range between $19.6 billion and $20.4 billion. This year, TSM stock has climbed by 74% and holds a B rating in the portfolio grader. Number 3. Broadcom, ticker AVGO. Broadcom's products are widely used in data centers, networking, storage, software, wireless, and industrial applications. The stock has been on a tremendous run this year, partly due to its successful acquisition of VMware. This purchase granted Broadcom access to VMware's hybrid cloud platform, enabling corporate customers to leverage the power of a cloud network with on-site data centers. Broadcom also utilizes Nvidia GPUs, allowing its customers to run AI models, a critical capability for many businesses. In the second quarter, Broadcom reported revenue of $12.4 billion, a 43% increase from the previous year. The company has issued full-year revenue guidance of $51 billion. Additionally, Broadcom is conducting a 10-for-1 stock split after markets close on July 11th, which will lower the stock price to approximately $170 per share, making it more accessible to investors without fractional shares and those wishing to trade options in AVGO stock. This year, Broadcom shares are up 54%, earning a B rating in the portfolio grader. Number 4. Micron Technology, ticker MU, specializes in memory and storage technologies, including DRAM, NAND, and NOR technology. Micron recently introduced a new chip designed for AI applications in Lenovo laptops. This chip will be featured in Lenovo's ThinkPad P1 Gen 7 laptops. Micron's most impressive innovation is its high-bandwidth memory 3E, HBM3E architecture, which offers higher bandwidth than previous generations, is smaller, and consumes less energy. Nvidia incorporates this architecture into its latest GPUs, including the new H200. For the fiscal third quarter of 2024, Micron reported revenue of $6.8 billion, up from $3.75 billion in the same quarter last year. The company also posted earnings per share of 30 cents, compared to a loss of $1.73 per share in the previous year. This year, MU stock is up 59% and holds a B rating in the portfolio grader. Number 5. Applied Optoelectronics, ticker AAOI. Significantly smaller than the previously mentioned companies, with a market capitalization of only $318 million, compared to Nvidia's roughly $3 trillion. Despite its size, Applied Optoelectronics remains a top-rated semiconductor stock. The Texas-based company manufactures and supplies fiber optic networking products, including diode lasers, photodiodes, subassemblies, and more. Its customers are primarily located in China, Taiwan, and the US. Applied Optoelectronics products are used in data centers and telecom applications. The company has also recently joined the Russell 3000 Index, a listing of the 4,000 largest US stocks by market capitalization. This inclusion means that AAOI stock will be featured in exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and other products that track the Russell 3000. In the first quarter, the company reported revenue of $40.6 million, down from $53 million a year ago. However, its data center revenue increased from $20.3 million to $28.9 million, which is where AAOI's future growth lies. The company experienced a significant drop in cable TV revenue, falling from $27.7 million to $8.7 million. To sustain growth, Applied Optoelectronics must continue expanding its lucrative data center business. Currently, the stock is trading at a discount, down 56% in 2024, and holds a B rating in the portfolio grader. Number 6, AXT, ticker AXT, and even smaller than Applied Optoelectronics with a market cap of only $150 million. AXT manufactures high-performance compound and single-element semiconductor substrate wafers, including indium phosphide, gallium arsenide, and germanium. These wafers are used when typical silicon wafer substrates cannot meet the performance requirements of a semiconductor or optoelectronic device. AXT's products are utilized in 5G infrastructure, data center connectivity, passive optical networks, LED lighting, lasers, sensors, power amplifiers for wireless devices, and satellite solar cells. AXT exemplifies the importance of regularly reviewing your portfolio. Just 4 months ago, AXT had an F rating in the portfolio grader due to declining earnings. However, as the semiconductor market shows new signs of life, particularly for products like electric vehicles and solar panels, AXT stock is rebounding nicely. In the first quarter, AXT exceeded its guidance for revenue and profitability, reporting $22.7 million in revenue compared to $19.4 million in the same quarter last year. The company posted an operating loss of $2.5 million, an improvement from a $3.5 million loss in the first quarter of 2023. AXT is also preparing to list its subsidiary, Beijing Tongmei Xtal Technology Kozar, on the Shanghai Stock Exchange. This listing, once approved, will further benefit AXT stock. This year, AXT stock is up 43% and holds a B rating in the portfolio grader. Lastly, we have Applied Materials, trading under the ticker AMAT. Applied Materials provides the services and software necessary to manufacture semiconductor chips used in computers, smartphones, televisions, and solar products. It is the largest US-based supplier of semiconductor manufacturing equipment. The company is experiencing increased demand for its products as the AI, IoT, electric vehicle, and clean energy markets expand. While AI chips remain in high demand, automotive, personal computers, and smartphones are expected to be significant customers for new chips in the latter half of the year. In the second quarter of fiscal 2024, Applied Materials reported revenue of $6.64 billion, up slightly from $6.63 billion a year ago. AMAT stock has substantial momentum, up 50% in 2024, and holds a B rating in the portfolio grader. And now, as promised, let's reveal the semiconductor stock our experts believe has the most explosive growth potential, Broadcom, AVGO. With its strategic acquisitions and robust market presence, Broadcom is poised to continue its impressive upward trajectory, making it a stock you don't want to miss. Let's break it down in simpler terms. Nvidia is a major player in AI and high-end GPUs, experiencing substantial growth in revenue and earnings. However, its high valuation and reliance on AI growth present some challenges. Taiwan Semiconductor, TSM, holds a significant share in the global semiconductor market, working with big names like Nvidia. It faces geopolitical risks, but enjoys rising demand. Broadcom, AVGO, shines with its diverse product range and strategic acquisitions, like VMware, making it a balanced investment. The upcoming stock split could make it even more attractive to individual investors. Micron Technology, MU, is making strides in memory technology and AI trends, showing strong revenue growth, though it faces stiff competition. Applied Optoelectronics, AAOI, a smaller player, focuses on fiber optic networking with potential in data centers despite recent stock declines. AXT Inc. AXT specializes in niche semiconductor substrates and is showing a market rebound, but it's smaller and has had financial instability. Lastly, Applied Materials, AMAT, is a key supplier in semiconductor manufacturing, benefiting from demand in AI and clean energy sectors. Before we wrap up, here's a thought-provoking question. How do you think the rise of quantum computing will impact the stock market benefit in the coming years. Share your predictions in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.